Alright guys, it looks like we have a little challenge lock from Kyle here, built on a Schlage kick cylinder. It says, this lock is a product of the knowledge I gathered from watching over 300 plus lock picking videos. It's not overly complicated, but includes a trick that I don't see very often, and I hope it whips you. I have included the traditional offering of sweets for good luck. Well, I'm not going to eat them beforehand, but if we get this thing picked, that will be the reward. Let's give it a try. I do have a key. It says PS. The key is easy to open and not wrapped in half a roll of electrical tape. So I can feel it through the cardboard. So we do have a key in there. We're just going to set them off to the side. And let's see if we can't pick this guy. All right, I'm going to take the lock and slide him into this 3D printed holder from Thor that he built for me, and I've been using it to mount all the kicks. It does a really good job as long as you don't pinch it too much, and that looks like it's still moving, so we're good to go. All right, let me get my multi-pick. I got it color-coded red for the 1.2 millimeter, and that's what I usually use in the Schlages. Let me slide this a little bit closer. I can put a mark on here, but it's going to be on the, it will be on the adapter. So I'll put it right here and then right there. And we'll just, from now on, we'll align everything with that mark that I'm going to leave on Thor's adapter. Try it like that. Okay, let me find a pick. It is a Schlage, so got this nasty keyway, and right here is a piece of warding that usually stops you from getting thicker picks. These are 10,000s, the ones I made with my fancy handles. So let's try it. Moderate tension. Okay, that was pin 2. That was pin 1, a very slight click, and I'm getting counter rotation there. And I got another click, and I'm still getting counter rotation. I got another tiny click. And the counter rotation looks like it's stopped. So let's keep looking around. That is pin 4. Very slight counter rotation. Nice click on him. Nice and solid. That was pin 1. Still giving counter rotation. I'm about to drop my tensioner out. I'm not sure if that's counter rotation. Let's keep looking. For you guys with bat ears, I apologize. My neighbor's air conditioner sounds like it kicked on. Okay, I'm getting counter rotation on 5 there. Something dropped. Okay, that was 5. I've lost the fault set. There's 1 again. Okay, that was 3 clicks on 1. So he's acting as a gatekeeper, it appears. That is 4. Let me look around a little bit more. See if somebody gives better counter rotation than that. And he's about the best bet. Come on. Oh, I've lost the fault set. I'll bet you if I go directly to 1, though. Nope. Somebody else. I might have overset that guy. Okay, something fell, and I've got the tiniest of fault sets. Okay, that was 4 again. This is 2. That is 5. Have we been through this before? Same sequence of events. Happens every time I mess with 5. Okay, there's that fault set from 1. There's 5 again. That is 2. I'm holding more tension on it this time than I did previously. Ah, he says as he drops the tensioner. I didn't lose anything though. All right, I'm on pin 3, counter rotation. Okay, there's 3. Lost the fault set. Let me get up here and check pin 1 again. Yep. Get 3 clicks on him. What was 1? 2, 3. I'm on pin 3, the tiniest of counter rotations. Let's keep looking. All right, 3 it is. Now I can't find it. No, I have no feedback. I believe that's it. 3, it's very tiny counter rotation. Very tiny. Let's try it. That was sounding to me like overset. I'm going to lighten up on the tension and kind of rake a little bit, see if I can get him back down. What are we at here? 8 minutes? Okay, there we go. Pin 1. Give me 3 clicks. 2, 3. There we got open. All right, I have no clue, guys. I know there's some very, very fine serrations inside of there on those pins. But aside from that, I can't tell you what he's got in here that would cause me to have to reset this basically 3 times. And I don't know what I did different that last time, other than be slightly more aggressive with the pick. That's about it. All right, let's lock it up. I noticed when I turned that, the core was a little bit, like it was caught up a little bit, but it does work perfectly. Let's take a look at the key. Nothing abnormal there. It's nice you've got those high cut ones in the back, but I mean, it's not a lot of variation there. It seems like you could almost rake this thing. I didn't even try it. It works perfectly though. All right, let's move all this stuff. I'll keep that key. I will take a pinning tray. And I will take this guy. One last thing. Key is easy to open and not wrapped in a half roll of electrical tape. Period. PPS. Shim. All capital letters. So that is what I'm going to do. All right, there we go. Okay, there's all 5. That's probably the most perfect matchup job with the core I have seen in a very, very long time. That is very nice. That's why the lock turns so smoothly. Standard. A homemade spool, it looks like. Another homemade spool. A standard. And number 5 is a standard. Ah, yes. Every single one of these has it's beautifully undercut. It's even polished up under there. So somebody did a lot of work on this one. Very nice. Very nicely done. All right, Kyle, what else you got here? Okay, we got a commercial serrated. Oh, we have my shim. Let me pull him out of there. All right, now let's get back to it. We have a T-pin upside down with the T pointing stuck down inside of the spring. And it's a very fine little spring, as in thin, not as in fine quality. Okay, we have a commercial spool in 3. And it looks like a spring out of an American or a master lock. Number 4, let's go around this way. I don't want to have to hold a flashlight in my teeth. Okay, we got a commercial spool. With a steel spring. And the last one, chamber 4, we have a commercial spool with another one of these little steel springs. All right, inside of the core, inside of the Bible is all standard. I see no undercut, threading, spiral cuts, twisted cuts, angled cuts, nothing. All standard. I don't know why the tape is there. Perhaps the clips were broken off and the tape is just holding that piece of foil on top. I don't know, but didn't come into play. I thought maybe you were going to find a lot of threads in there, but there are none. All right, guys, this is what we're looking at. The only weirdness was number 2, where we had the T-pin pointed in exactly like that. I think I probably would have rotated them around, Kyle, to make that core a lot more floppy when and if you hit that guy, got him caught in the shear line. That would have given you a very, very deep fault set. A couple of homemade pins here. The rest of these, every single other pin was a commercial pin. All right, guys, appreciate your time. Stay safe. Stay legal. Kyle, not bad, especially the beautiful undercutting jobs. I'd appreciate if you send me an email. Let me know how you got those so finely done. They're all identical and they're all polished up in there. Great job. Thanks, guys. I've produced over 200 videos a year for the last several years and would really appreciate your support. All I'm asking is you subscribe, click on the like button for each video, and share them on social media. That's it. Thanks, guys.